Hi, it's Lisa Turner here from Psychademy. We're a spiritual and consciousness awakening organization specializing in training professional coaches, healers, therapists, and practitioners. Now, I sometimes have people come to me and they say, I'd love to do this thing, whatever it is, but it feels heavy. And they interpret that heavy feeling as meaning it's not right for them. And I often think that there's something else going on. So what if, because here's the thing, if you think about it, if we only ever did what felt light and fun, then nobody would ever do anything that was a little bit challenging, a little bit difficult. And those challenges and the overcoming those things that are difficult are what causes us to grow and expand and awaken and evolve. You see, if we didn't ever do anything that was difficult, we'd never have got to the moon. We'd have never invented this technology, this very technology that we're communicating with each other. We'd never have invented that. We'd probably be sitting on the sofa, eating cheesecake and watching Netflix because somebody else can do the hard work. Now, I'm not saying that it should be hard, but that some of the things that we want to do to get the result we want might involve us to dig deep within ourselves, and they might also involve us overcoming those limiting beliefs and negative emotions, releasing those to make that thing that we want to do feel easier and possible. Let's rise to challenges rather than avoiding them, because if we always avoid challenges, well, we'd never get down the gym, we'd never eat healthily, we'd never study, there'd be no doctors, because who the heck would want to do 7 years, 9 years to become a doctor? No one would ever do that because it would feel heavy. And yet we all know the joy that we get, the lightness, the brilliance, the satisfaction and achievement that comes from doing something that's a little bit difficult and getting good at it. So what's the one thing that you've been putting off because it feels like a challenge? Post and share in the comments below. I'd love to read that. And if you haven't yet found a way to overcome that challenge, then let's connect, because with our psycho-spiritual technology, conscious emotional transformation, we can absolutely find and release those limiting beliefs, those negative emotions that are making that thing, that deepest desire, that thing that's for your highest good, your soul's calling. We can stop that feeling heavy and start to have it feel light and possible for you and exciting. So let me know, contact me, let's explore. Bye for now.